Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hi, I'm Adiah. Nice to meet y'all. So I'm going out today with my friend. So he came over and he bought me.
And you should them.
No, I didn't. He came over and he bought me this for my birthday. I've already unboxed it. It's going to be a reel on my Instagram. We are going out now. Guys, how Banco. We are going out now. So no, let's carry power bank just in case. Take it's okay. It's my bag there. Just don't put it in the bag, just keep it around. So we are going out now. I don't know where we're going to. He doesn't want to. Okay, he knows okay, but oh boy, see, we are figuring it. Figuring it. We are figuring it out, Sha. Well, we are going for lunch. So anyways, we are about to leave now. I just wanted to start the vlog. So like, share, subscribe. We just finished eating. My phone has been acting off, so I couldn't record. How was that? We just finished eating. The food was okay, but it was nothing like special. We had too many flies here. Take pictures now because I'm not taking pictures of this makeup. I need to vlog. But anyway, so what's the we left the restaurant like probably like 10-15 minutes ago, and we have eaten because my friend wants to make a withdrawal. So yeah, happy birthday to me. That's funny. my birthday today. Anyways. You can tell from the title of the video, it's a bit echoey because I had to make room for our shoot. So yeah. So I have 2 outfits I'm shooting in. This is the top for the first one. So I'm just going to change, fix my hair. I'm also watching people like the Kardashians. So that's my family. Like you guys don't see, but like on like close friends Instagram, I'll be getting happy birthdays from them. Alright, Miss Gashi. Happy birthday to me. Alright guys, see you guys in the jiffy. Hey guys, sorry. So I have this shirt on and this pants, and then I went to get this. So it's kind of like an office type situation. Because I'm sweating. But it's like an office. But I don't know. I have this vision in my head and I just hope everything comes. Wish me luck. It's my birthday. Duh. Wish me luck. Hey guys, so my phone is currently 4%. Sorry about the fan. My phone is 4%, but the good news is we got pictures for this first outfit. And yes, they did match my vision. I want to change into the second outfit. And then I'm supposed to film another. And then I'm supposed to film another video. You guys, I'm working with God at this point because I don't know. I do not know. But yeah, let me show you guys my viewfinder. Well, that is I'm just using to like see myself as I'm shooting. But yeah, let me just change into the second outfit shot. I'll catch you guys. Okay guys, so this is the second look. So I have this bucket hat, this orange tank top, then jeans. This is the look. I'm going to first of all take some headshots first, then yeah, then I'll take like full body. I'm just with myself, okay? Period. Guys. I need fun. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm fucking live. Hey, the pictures we took. My god. See, my favorite picture is changing every year. What? Sorry, huh? Let it glow or no? But I'm not joking, I need to sleep sharp because the first video I filmed today, yeah, I have to edit that video and finish it today because we're going up tomorrow. So yeah. So, and this one is going to go on Friday. Hey guys, friend is reading. Hey guys, so the time is like 3 AM right now. I decided not to film the last video I wanted to film because I figured that I have 2 videos to go up next week anyways. 2 I filmed today are going up this week, so there's no point. I'm really tired now. So I'm just going to take off my makeup and go to bed. But yeah, quickly, I realized I didn't show you guys like how the setup was rather for the shoot. So obviously, so I took out my mattress so I could have like space. So I just use this wall, and I have my ring light here, and then my fan for a Beyonce moment. And I was using my system as a viewfinder shoot. So that was one of the reasons I was very particular about getting white walls because of pictures. But yeah, you guys, honestly, my heart is doing me some take off this makeup, but I can't sleep with it. And I'm really tired now, actually. I'll check in with you guys when I'm taking off my makeup. Okay. Hey guys, so the time is, let me see, the time is 3:34 right now. So tired. I'm watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Guys, I'm tired, but I'm not sleepy yet, so I'm just watching this to fall asleep. That's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me for the first few hours of my birthday. Yeah. I'm tired. I can't wait to see my son. But yeah. The pictures were so great. Like, I'm so happy. I can't wait to post them on Instagram. Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Okay, guys. Please. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.